Looking for the best well water filters to keep your water clean, safe, and fresh? You've come to the right place. Our channel shares quality videos every day to help you discover the best products for your home and lifestyle. In this video, we'll highlight top well water filters that deliver reliability, performance, and peace of mind. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews. Number 1. Express Water Heavy Metal Whole House System. This whole house water filtration system uses 3 stages to remove more than 80 common contaminants from well water, including heavy metals, chlorine, pesticides, sediment, bacteria, iron, and organic chemicals. Stage 1 uses a microfiber sediment filter. Stage 2 uses a carbon filter to filter out lead, sulfur, iron, bacteria, and more. Stage 3 uses an additional carbon filter to remove pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and other organic compounds. This system allows for a flow capacity of 0.25 gallons per second, which means 15 gallons per minute, GPM. The filter needs to be changed every 100,000 gallons, which can be every 6 to 12 months, depending on water use. This is the best overall pick for its water flow, the amount of contaminants it filters out, and its price. Number 2. Additional iSpring 3-stage whole house water filtration system. Designed to filter out heavy metals, chlorine, pesticides, iron, and sediment with a 3-stage filtration process, this whole house water filtration system also uses an activated carbon filter. The filter needs to be changed every 100,000 gallons, which is approximately annually for a family of 4. This system is designed for easy DIY installation and provides up to 15 GPM of clean water flow. It is smaller than some other whole house systems, which makes it easier to fit into out-of-the-way spaces in the house. While it's not designed to filter out bacteria and doesn't have a built-in water softener, this system is an affordable option for filtering out organic contaminants, iron, and sediment for clean drinking well water. Number 3. Wireless Aquasana Rhino Whole House Water Filter System. Aquasana's whole house filtration system removes pesticides, heavy metals, and chlorine from water. It has a built-in salt-free water conditioner that's ideal for hard water. The system is designed to last for 1 million gallons or up to 10 years, whichever comes first. The filtration system uses an activated carbon filter to remove contaminants, so it is ideal for heavy metals, sediment, and organic contaminants, but not suitable for well water that's contaminated with bacteria. It's recommended that the filter be changed every 3 months for optimal performance, which is more frequent than some other water filters recommend. It also provides 7 GPM of water flow, which may be suitable for some homes but insufficient for larger households. Minimize scale buildup in pipes and plumbing through a salt-free and chemical-free system. No cleaning, backwashing, silt bags, or electricity are required. This system does not soften water or remove minerals that cause hardness. Number 4. Pure Faucet Water Filtration System. Those who prefer compact option that can be easily attached to most current faucets can rely on this faucet water filter from Pure. It removes over 70 contaminants, including lead, mercury, and agricultural pesticides with the help of its activated carbon filter and ion exchange. The activated carbon filter lasts for over 100 gallons of clean water and has a 0.5 GPM flow rate, meaning that it will last for over 3 months with regular use. This plastic faucet is also lightweight at just 1.15 pounds, which makes it portable enough to bring when traveling or RVing. It also has a filter change light and an on-off lever built in to switch between filtered, non-filtered water. The only downside to this option is that our testers found the flow rate to be slower than they had expected. This filter change light to notify you when it is time to change your filter. The genuine Pure Faucet Mount Water Filter is certified to last for up to 100 gallons or for 3 months of regular use. Number 5. Home Master Whole House Water Filtration System. This system removes up to 95% of iron, manganese, sediment, and other contaminants from well water with a 3-stage filtration system. With 15 GPM, this system uses a carbon filter to keep contaminants out of water, featuring a multi-gradient density sediment filter, which physically blocks particles of sediment from entering water. This system can filter out finer particles of sediment. It's conveniently sized and can be installed as a DIY project or with professional assistance. The filter needs to be replaced every 95,000 gallons, which is about every year for a family of 4. However, it isn't designed to remove bacteria or chlorine from water, and it doesn't have a built-in water softener. High flow rate and pressure features massive filter housings with 1-inch ports that maximize water flow across your entire home. Experience strong, consistent water pressure with a capability of up to 15 gallons per minute.